Be ready? Start. You know that there is the question of rural electrification, but what is being done here? Our minister was telling about 45 pilot projects that are there, but what are they for this vast country? What can be done by these projects? The Planning Commission is doing many things. There are many plans, but how far are they being achieved? How far are they being implemented? How far has unemployment problem been solved? There are to be seen 45 projects will not do to serve the vast population of this country. It is a genetic problem. So, my submission is unless you take concrete steps and devise concrete schemes to develop industries in the rural areas, things will not improve. Madam, you were pleased to intimate in this connection that the Khadi and Village Industries Board is doing something, but what do they do? They have asked the states to survey the areas and find out the industries that can be taken up. I know about my own state. There also the Khadi and Village Industries Commission have taken up small industries, but it is not enough. It is a drop in the industries ocean. They select a few industries, but there are potentialities and there is scope for developing small industries, village industries in the rural areas. But sufficient attention is not given by the government to solve that problem. That is my humble opinion. Unless the government has taken concrete measures to solve this acute problem, no people in the rural areas can always remain asking government or those who have ways and means to give them employment. This cannot do so. Small industries, village industries should be surveyed, organized, and developed. This problem cannot be neglected any further. Our late Prime Minister was telling us that unless you develop cottage and small industries and generate power in the rural areas, this acute problem cannot be solved. I know about the intention of the government. The minister was telling that the planning commission have schemes and also a committee, but what efforts have been made, we must know the result. So there are schemes and plans. Implementation is not there. People are not getting the benefits. There are many agricultural products which can be organized and developed as small industries. There is food processing from earth. You can get other things. Good industry is there. There are hundreds of things you can do. In the British times, we made a survey of some areas and we saw that there were many potential things in the villages. The villagers also know these. They are able-bodied men, but because they are not properly organized or given employment, they are nowhere. So my request to the government is this: the pilot schemes etc. will not do. What we want from the government is that they should face the problem with boldness and courage.